Hello YouTube world, and welcome to a new episode of Tesla Noob. It's April 14. We're living in hard times in 2020, but we're still getting Tesla software updates. This is version 10.2 2020.12.5, I think. And this one is bringing up some cool features. Driving visualization improvements while driving, now display traffic cones, and I have hardware 2.5. I don't have enhanced autopilot. I only have the normal autopilot. So it does work. It's picking up cones when I'm driving, but it's also picking up yellow signals. Basic anything yellow, red, or orange is being displaying as traffic cones on my display setting here. We have orange fire hydrants with the yellow sticks on them. They're showing up as orange cones. Orange cones are represented as orange cones, but like I'm going to show you right now, I think that while driving, and I'll be careful in my garage, you could see a yellow cone being presented to me as my yellow shovel here. So it's a work in progress, but hey, I'm happy to get any new features on the car. The real feature I was looking for and wishing for, but never actually thought about posting on the forums, is a Dashcam viewer directly from the car. Once you get a security Sentry warning, you could probably view it directly from the car instead of popping out the USB stick, putting it into your PC, and downloading a Sentry viewer, which is a fantastic viewer. But at least now I could watch the clip in question from the car, delete it, and not have to download it or whatnot on my PC to view it. So I'm happy about this. Let's read through it. Watch saved Dashcam clips or Sentry events directly from the touchscreen with the Dashcam viewer. To launch, tap the Dashcam icon in the status bar and select launch viewer while the car is in park. If the car is in drive, you will continue to save clip by tapping the icon. To view save clips and events stored on your USB drive, tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of the viewer. Each video is organized by location, date, thumbnail for easy access. For additional filtering option, tap on Dashcam or Sentry tabs. Select a clip or event to play the corresponding video. To select video from a particular camera, tap the associated thumbnail marked front, rear, left, right. Play, pause, or scroll by using the video control at the bottom of the player. To delete a video, tap the trash can icon at the bottom right corner of the video player. This is amazing because Sentry Viewer, I think, which is on Windows 10 PC at the moment, you get the 4 cameras side by side. Before it was only the two front corner cameras with the front camera. Now they added the rear, so you had 4 views. This one is directly in the car, which we're going to test right now, which is amazing. Out of order supercharger stalls. Basically, it's going to warn you if a stall is out of order. Well, like that, you don't have to park and test it yourself. You'll know in the car. So let's go test this out. Let's go to Dashcam here, view launcher, and let's see what I have. So here we go. We're getting the right, the rear, and looks like it's working. It's pretty solid. I'm happy. I mean, the fact that I don't need to remove the USB stick from my car to watch Sentry Mode clips is fantastic. So basically, instead of gathering a ton and having to clean the USB stick, I watch it here. Any Sentry Mode detections I watch. If there's no problem, I delete. The only thing that I don't see compared to what I have been doing on PC is you don't have fast forward mode. So you're going to have to watch the clip in real time. So if it's 4 minutes or 55 seconds, there's no way to speed it up unless you actually scroll through it. But I can't, you know what? I'm happy that it's available for us. Can't say that I hate it. I actually enjoy it. So be safe, wash them hands, stay in quarantine if you're sick, think of other people, and like I said, be safe and enjoy this Tesla software update. Have a good one, guys.